It is critically important for you to understand that in many self-defense cases, the person who was acting in self-defense is actually placed under arrest. They bond out, and then through the work of their attorney, their case is ultimately dismissed, no billed by a grand jury, or otherwise resolved in a favorable manner that did not result in a conviction and did not result in prison time. By talking, even after you get to the jail, or talking to the police as they place you under arrest, you are locking in a narrative that you have not thought all the way through. You're also likely not experienced in the use of self-defense and what happens as you're using self-defense. For example, you may get tunnel vision. It's not uncommon for you in that moment of heightened awareness to perceive something as a larger threat or larger body than it actually is. Your perception about the size of the other person's firearm might be off. Their height might be off. Their distance from you might be off because your adrenaline is pumping. You're in a fight or flight mode, and you had to do what it took to protect yourself or a family member or some other person. The moments after you've used self-defense are not the best moments to give a statement, and even 30 minutes or an hour removed when the police have or are in the process of arresting you is still not a good time to give a statement. So even if you're placed under arrest, be prepared for that ride, because what you're ultimately beating is the rap. You're avoiding the conviction. You're avoiding the wrongful conviction after you used self-defense.